Hello my dear 5th standard students, mathematics class exercise 2.5 first main we have done. Today we are doing second main. Divide and check your answer. In the first main I have shown you how to divide the numbers. So the question is given, A question, 3,11,426 divided by 87. This is already explained how to divide in the first main question. Again we'll see how to divide this. So write the given number 3,11,426. This number you have to write here. Divide. This is the division sign symbol. So divided by which number you have to divide by 87. That 87 you have to write here. So the number which is 3,11,426. This is called a dividend. And the number which we take to divide the 87. This is divisor. In first main I have said all this. So write the given number and put the division symbol and write the divisor here, 87. So first digit is 3. It is a smaller than 87. Next take 2 digits. How much it is? 31. 31 is also smaller than 87. You cannot divide. So for that what you have to do? You have to take 3 digits. 311. How much it is? 311. So this is bigger than 87. Now you can divide. How to divide? 87 3s are 261. So below 311 you have to write 261. Put minus sign because you have to subtract. 1 minus 1 0. Next 1 minus 6 you cannot subtract. So for that what you have to do? Borrow 1 from 3. This will become 11 and here it will become 2. So 11 minus 6 5. So 1 minus 1 0. 11 minus 6 5. Here 3 minus 2 is not there because 1 borrowed this side. So 2 is remaining. 2 minus 2 0. So here how much remained? 50. 50 is smaller than 87. You cannot divide. So bring down the next number after 311. Next digit is 4. Bring down 4 here. Now it becomes 504. 504 is bigger than 87. So 87 5s are 435. Below 504 you have to write 435. Put minus sign. Subtract. 4 minus 5 not possible because 4 is smaller than 5. You cannot subtract. So for that what you have to do? From 50 you must borrow 1 here this side. This will become 14 and this 50 will become 49 because from 50 you have borrowed 1. So it becomes 49. See here I have written 49. Now 14 it is. 14 minus 5 9. 14 minus 5 9. Next here 9 is there. 9 minus 3 6. And 4 minus 4 0. This is 0. You can write or no need not write, whatever you do. So now it is 69. Again 69 you cannot divide by 87. So what you have to do? Next digit is 2. Bring down 2 here. See I have shown with arrow mark. Bring down 2. Now it becomes, instead of 69 now it is 692 because this 2 has come here. 692. Now 692 is bigger than 87. You can divide. 87 7s are 609. Below 692 you should write 609. Put minus sign. Subtract. 2 minus 9. 2 is smaller than 9. You cannot subtract. So borrow 1 from 9. Here it is 9. Now you are borrowing 1 here. This will become 12. Whereas this 9 will become 8. Because 1 taken. So 12 minus 9 3. Next 8 minus 0 8. 6 minus 6 0. Here also 0. So how much is remaining here? 83. Isn't it? 83. Next 83 is smaller than 87. Further what your last digit 6 you have to bring down. Now it is 836. Now 836 is greater than 87. So you can divide. How much? 87 9s are 783. Put subtraction sign. Below 836 you should write 783 minus 6 minus 3 3. 3 minus 8 you cannot, because 3 is smaller than 8. Borrow 1 here this side from 8. From 8 you have taken borrowed 1. It becomes 13, whereas this will become 7. 13 minus 8 5. Here 7 is there. 7 minus 7 0. Remaining here also 0 0. So what is this called? A remainder. 53 is remainder. Quotient. This is called quotient. 3579. This is quotient. Whereas here 53 is called remainder. In first main we have done. Now what he has further asked, check your answer. This is your answer. Whatever you have done from year to year, this is the answer. Quotient and remainder. Now what he is telling a check. So for check means, this is the formula you have to use. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Double time I have written. Actually here we have to write plus. If I written here, not written here means you will get confused. That's why both side I have written plus plus. But only thing is quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is the formula you have to use for checking. So quotient into divisor. How much is quotient? This is the quotient. 3579. Into divisor. Divisor is 87. This into this. See here. 3579 into 87 plus remainder. Plus remainder is how much? 53. So plus 53. Multiply these two. Multiply means you will get 3,11,373 plus 53 is equal to 3,11,426. This is the number which is given here. See here, 3,11,426. 3,11,426. So when you multiply these two and add with remainder, you will get the number which is given in the question. Then only your answer is this division is correct. If you get here different number means this division is wrong you have done. But we have done this division is correct. That is why after multiplying these two and adding with remainder, we got the same number, 3,11,426. 3,11,426. Then this answer, this division is correct. That is called checking. Similarly, B question. What is our B question? 7,03,419 divided by 95. So first two digits not possible. So three digits, 703 take. 95 sevens are 665. Below 703 write 665 and minus subtract. 3 minus 5 not possible. From 70 borrow 1 this side. This 3 will become 13 and 70 will become 69. See there. Now 13 minus 5 8. 9 minus 6 3. 6 minus 6 0. So how much remain here? 38. 38 is smaller than 95. So bring down 4. This digit 4. Now it is 384. 95 4s are 380. Below 384 write 380. Put minus sign. Subtract. 4 minus 0 4. 8 minus 8 0. 3 minus 3 0. This 0 you write here. So how much is remaining here? 4 minus 0 4. Only 4 is there. These 3 zeros. 4 is less than 95. So next what you have to do? Bring down 1. When you bring down 1 it is 41. 41 is again less than 95. You cannot divide. So when you bring down 1, 41 it is less than 95. So what you have to do? Put 0 here. Put 0. After putting 0 here you must bring down. Next digit is 9. Here bring down. Now it is 419. Now 419 divided by 95. 95 4s are 380. Below 419 write 380 and subtract. Put minus sign and subtract. 9 minus 0 9. Here 1 is there. 1 minus 8 not possible. So from 4 borrow 1 this side. It becomes 11. 11 minus 8 3. Now it is 3 here because from 4 you have borrowed 1 this side. Now it is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. These zeros as it is right. So this is how much? 39. What is this 39? remainder. And what about this 7404? This is quotient and this is the divisor. And what is this number called? Dividend. So check. How to check? The same formula what you written here. Quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Don't write put 2 times. I have put 2 times because actually only one time here you are trying to. There is no place this side, so that's why you should not get confused. And the double time I have written plus here. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is how much? 7404. Into divisor is how much? 95. This into this how much? 7,03,380 plus remainder 39. This 39. When you add these two, you will get 7,03,419. See here, what is the question? 7,03,419. Then this division is correct. This is how you have to check the answer. Similarly, you should write neatly in your CW. The remaining problems will continue in the next class.